Good morning, students. Let us discuss numerical based upon pH value. And the numerical is the find the pH of 0.01 m ammonium hydroxide solution. Ammonium hydroxide is a base, and base dissociation constant is given to you. Kb means base dissociation constant. Its value is 1.6 10 minus 5. Since base dissociation constant is given to you, it means it will not completely ionized. So ammonium hydroxide ionizes ammonium ions and hydroxide. If ammonia is given to you, then ammonia plus water gives ammonia plus hydroxide ions. And if the initial concentration is C, then the concentration of OH, ammonium and hydroxide is 0. If alpha is the degree of ionization, alpha is the degree of ionization, then at equilibrium concentration of ammonium hydroxide is C into 1 minus alpha and C alpha, C alpha. By law of chemical equilibrium, ammonium ion concentration into OH negative upon ammonium hydroxide concentration. For a base, it is base dissociation constant. For acid, it is acid dissociation constant. On hydrolysis, it will become a hydrolysis constant. Now, ammonium concentration is C alpha, hydroxide concentration is also C alpha, and at ammonium hydroxide is C into 1 minus alpha. One of the C will be cancelled out, C alpha is 1 minus alpha. And for weak electrolyte, alpha is very, very less than 1. So it is approximately C alpha square. यहाँ से भी पता चल रहा है the value is very low. Then alpha is equal to Kb by C, power 1 by 2. Kb is 1.6 10 minus 5 and concentration 0.01. Now 0.01 means 10 power 2 simple multiply 10 minus 3. I can also write it as 16 into 10 minus 4. Square root of 16 is 4, square root of 10 minus 4 is 10 minus 2. Otherwise, we have to take the help of a log table in case of complicated digits. And we know that OH negative concentration is C alpha. And C is 0.01. Alpha is 4 into 10 minus 2. 0.01 means 10 minus 2. So it becomes 4 into 10 minus 4. Corresponding to hydroxide concentration, pOH is equal to minus log of OH negative concentration. And OH concentration 4 into 10 minus 4 means it is log 4 plus log of 10 to the power minus 4. Log होता क्या है 10 to the power, that is minus 4.00. 4 means 4.0. Before decimal only one digit, 1 minus 1 is 0. The characteristic is 0. And from log table you will take up 40 in the column of 0. So 4.000, it will be 0.0621. On solving, you will get minus 3.3979 minus 3.3979. But this is pOH, and we have to find out the pH value. And we know that pH plus pOH is 14, means pH is equal to 14 minus pOH, 10.6, which is correct. For a base, the pH should be more than 7. In this way, we have solved this numerical. This is another type. equal volume of solution with pH 3 and 11 are mixed. Find the pH of the resulting mixture. One of the solution has pH less than 7, another has pH more than 7. Means one of them is an acid, another is a base. pH 3 means the hydronium ion concentration is minus 3. If pH is 11, then pH will be 14 minus pH, that is 3. Means the hydroxide concentration is minus 3. H3O positive OH and active concentration are same and the volumes are also same. Both acid and base have same concentration, same volume, and as I said, on mixing we get neutral solution, and we know that for a neutral solution the pH is 7. So in this way we find out the pH of this mixture. Another numerical, equal volume of solution with pH 3 and 5 are mixed together. Find the pH of resulting mixture. But in this case, both the solution have pH less than 7. Less than 7 is both are acids. Solution A, solution B. Solution suppose A has pH 3 and this has pH 5. pH 3 means 10 minus 3 and pH 5 means 10 minus 5. Then the molarity of the mixture, we use formula N1V1 N2V2 over Vm plus K2. And volume, which is assumed B milliliter. Molarity 10 minus 3 into B plus 10 minus 5 into B over B plus B. इसका भी B, इसका भी B. अगर अनइक्वल वॉल्यूम होते कोई दिक्कत नहीं आती. V1 मान लो this is 150, here is 350, here 150, 350, 150 plus 350 हो जाता है. अनइक्वल वॉल्यूम्स हो जाए कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, अनइक्वल कंसंट्रेशन हो जाए कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. हमारे पास फॉर्मूला है, we have to use this. The lowest value is 10 minus 5, which is common in addition to B. So this is 100 plus 1. Means 101 by 2 into 10 minus 5. 101 by 2 is 50.5 10 minus 5. This is the concentration of hydronium ion in the mixture. And we know that pH is equal to minus log of hydronium ion concentration H positive. Means minus log of 50.5 10 minus 5. Minus log of 50.5 plus minus 5.0 बता दिया. log होता क्या 10 की पावर. Now before decimal कितने digits है तो एक सेपरेट करना होता है. This is 1 point. क्या देखेंगे log टेबल से 50 in a column of 5. You will get this value 7033. On solving you will get 3.297. More than 3 but less than 5. It is correct. Now in this case the pH is given to you and you have to find out the hydronium ion concentration. If there is a simple digit, we can simply write in this manner. pH 3, hydrogen 10 minus, pH 5, 10 minus 5, pH 6, 10 minus 6. But here is 3 points. How to solve this? Use this formula. And pH is 3.76 minus log of hydrogen. The log of hydrogen concentration is negative sign on this side. और इसके ऊपर एंटी लॉग डेसिमल. एंटी लॉग हमेशा डेसिमल के बाद का देखते हैं और पॉजिटिव डिजिट का देखते हैं, लेकिन ये तो सारी नेगेटिव डिजिट है. हाउ टू मेक इट पॉजिटिव? एंटी लॉग हमेशा डेसिमल के बाद का देखेंगे और पॉजिटिव डिजिट का. तो हमने क्या किया, नेक्स्ट हायर डिजिट ऐड एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट. अब दिस -4, इस -4 को आपने क्या लिख दिया, 4 बार, और +4 में से ये सेपरेट करेंगे तो क्या आएगा, 0.24, एंड दिस वैल्यू इज पॉजिटिव डिजिट। और हमें देखना किसका, पॉजिटिव डिजिट का देखना। एंटी लॉग हमेशा डेसिमल के बाद का देखते हैं। तो इसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन क्या है, 4 बार। तो दिस 4 बार is taken as 10 minus 4. If there is no bar, then we write it as 10 raised to the power 4. And 0.24 को 0 के कॉलम में देखेंगे तो उसमें क्या आएगा, 0.1738 एंटीलॉग। एंटीलॉग लेते हुए एक डेसिमल शिफ्ट करते हैं, क्योंकि 2 डिजिट के बदले में 1 लिखा है ना, उसको काउंटर करने के लिए आप हमने यहाँ पे ये कर दिया। So 1.738 10 minus 4 is the concentration of the vinegar cell. Now, the pH of 0.01 and hydrogen cyanide is 2.34. Find out degree of dissociation and acid dissociation constant 4. Previously, dissociation constant and concentration is given. Dissociation and concentration given, we have to find out the pH. In this case, the pH is given. We have to find out the degree of dissociation and dissociation constant. Now, pH is this one. Then, in the same way, we have finding out the concentration of H positive ion. This comes out to be, and that's a negative. Next I will add and subtract. This minus becomes 3 4, and this digit becomes 7 6. So 10 per minus 3 becomes 10 minus 3, and 0.676 को 0 के कॉलम में देखेंगे 0.5754 आएगा। उसको हम एक डेसिमल शिफ्ट करेंगे तो बनेगा 5.754. This is the current H positive, and we know that HClO gives H positive ClO, like HCl gives H positive Cl. Initial concentration C00 at equilibrium C into 1 minus alpha Cl plus Cl. Then K is equal to H positive concentration into ClO negative concentration upon HCl. This is C alpha, this is C alpha. And here is C into 1 minus alpha. One of the C will be cancelled out. Comes C alpha 1 minus alpha. But for weak electrode, alpha is very, very less in comparison to 1, and hence we write it as approximately C alpha. The value of C is given, that is 0.1. 0.1 is 10 minus 1. Alpha, we can find out here. C alpha, so C is given, H positive is known. H positive निकाल लिया, H positive की concentration हमें पता चल गई, तो that is 5.7 10 minus 3, और C की वैल्यू 0.1 जहाँ से अल्फा, तो ये अल्फा की वैल्यू जहां पे रख रहे हैं, दैट इज 5.75 10 minus 2 का स्क्वायर, तो आई कैन राइट एज 5.754 का स्क्वायर 10 minus 4 का स्क्वायर कितना होगा, 10 minus 4 10 4 into minus 10 minus 5। तो मुझे इसका स्क्वायर निकालना है, बहुत टाइम लगेगा, लॉग टेबल फेयर करूंगा, ऑन टेकिंग लॉग बोथ साइड, लॉग ऑफ k is equal to x पर y is y log x means 2 log this one plus multiplication plus और इसका क्या होता है log minus 5.00 2 log of this one. So before decimal is only one digit, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0. एंड लॉग टेबल से क्या देखोगे, 57 को 5 के कॉलम में 4 डिफरेंस टेबल का ऐड कर, 57 को 5 के कॉलम में 4 डिफरेंस टेबल ऐड करेंगे, you will get 0.7600 and this minus 5. 2 into 0.76 comes to 1.52. This one minus 3.48. लेकिन मुझे इसके बाद k चाहिए, k के लिए एंटी लॉग निकालना है, एंटी लॉग हमेशा पोस्ट डिजिट का देखते हैं, तो क्या करेंगे, नेक्स्ट हायर डिजिट ऐड एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, एंड माइनस 4 इज नथिंग बट 4 बार, इसमें से ये सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे पॉइंट, तो k इज इक्वल टू एंटी लॉग ऑफ 4 बार 0.52, 4 बार मीन्स 10⁻4 और 0.52 को 0 के कॉलम में देखेंगे तो 0.3311 आएगा, एक डेसिमल शिफ्ट करना है 3.311 दिस वन। तो इस ढंग से हमने काफी न्यूमेरिकल किए हैं इस ढंग से, लेकिन ये न्यूमेरिकल्स तभी पॉसिबल होंगे इस ढंग के जब कंसंट्रेशन H पॉजिटिव या OH नेगेटिव की 1 से ज्यादा होगी, सॉरी 1 से कम होगी, H पॉजिटिव कंसंट्रेशन, ये जो आपको फार्मूला दिया है ये तभी पॉसिबल है, दिस इज ओनली पॉसिबल if the H3O positive concentration or H positive concentration is less than 1n but more than 10⁻⁷. Similarly, OH negative concentration less than 1n but more than 10⁻⁷. What will happen if the concentration is less than 10⁻⁷? In that case, we have to also use the contribution of H positive OH negative in the water also. Like what is the pH value? What is the pH value? 10⁻⁹ HCl solution. And 10⁻⁹ is less than 10⁻⁷. So in this case we have to also take up the contribution of water also. And you will assume that HCl is completely ionized, it gives H positive and Cl negative. Now if this is 10⁻⁹ and this is 10⁻⁹, you cannot write it as the pH is 9. If pH is 9, then it should be a base, but HCl cannot be base. In actual, we have to also take up the contribution of what H positive in a water also. And due to HCl is 10⁻⁹, due to water is 10⁻⁷. H positive OH negative in a water is 10⁻⁷. So this is comes out to be 10⁻⁹ into 1 plus 100, means 101 into 10⁻⁹. Then pH is minus log of H positive. This is equal to minus log of 101 into 10⁻⁹. This is equal to minus log of 101 minus 9.00. This is equal to minus 2 point. तो लॉग टेबल से क्या देखेंगे, 10 को 1 के कॉलम में एंड 10 को 1 के कॉलम में देखेंगे लॉग टेबल में तो आएगा 0.0043. ये 2 कैसे है, 101 can be written as 101.0. Means before decimal is 3 digits. 3 minus 1, 2. Minus 9.00. And this comes out to be 7, 5, 9, 9 and 8 minus 2, 6. This is the pH value. Very close to 7. Similarly, find the pH value of a solution of sodium hydroxide. Find out the pH value of 10 raised to minus 5 m sodium hydroxide solution which is diluted 1000 times. It is diluted 1000 times. Initial percentage test minus 5. For dilution, molarity of mixture. M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. Initial molarity is 10 minus 5. Let the volume is V. M2 and it is diluted 1000 times. 1000 V. Means M2 comes out to be 10 raised to power minus 8 m. NaOH is completely ionized. Gives Na positive, OH negative. 10 minus 8, 10 minus 8. The value is less than 7. Then OH negative concentration is equal to 10 minus 8 plus due to water 10 minus 7. This comes out to be 10 minus 8, 1 plus 10, 11 into 10 minus 8. Then pOH is equal to minus log of OH negative concentration minus log of 11 into 10 minus 8 is equal to minus 1 point. And log में क्या देखेंगे 11 को 0 के कॉलम 0414 minus 8.00. This comes out to be 9 minus 10 minus 4, 6, 8, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9, 6. This is pOH. Then pH is equal to 14 minus pH. That is 14 minus 6.9586. 4, 1, 4, 0, 7. 13 minus 6 is 7. This is the pH value. In this way, we have solved so many numericals based on pH value. Next time, I will take up another topic. So, try to solve all the numericals based on pH value. And practice will make you perfect.